Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create images using Ideogram. So first of all, head over to your browser and type in Ideogram. You will see ideogram.ai. Go ahead and open this link. Now, if you do not already have an account, create an account and sign up. If you already have an account, sign in, then this is what you will see. Under this search bar right here, type in your prompt. And once done, select the send button. Wait for a while till it will generate you 4 images. Now, as you can see that this has generated me 4 images. Let's go ahead and select view in creations. Now, first image being this one. If you want any addition, you may go ahead, simply type on edit. Now, as you can see, these are pretty high quality images. If you would like to, save this one, all you have to do is select this download button and select the SD quality if you are using a free account. And once done, it will be generated and you will see it right here. This is how easy it is, guys. Thank you for watching.